Hello, participants. Welcome to AFRICACWIC2022. The theme of this conference, as you know, is building a revolutionary digital mindset. My research is on empirical study of factors that influence the adoption of blockchain integrated with e-government in Nigeria. My name is Ekanem. I'm a PhD candidate in the Department of Advanced Convergence at Global University. And my mentor for this research is Dr. Yunson Kim, an associate professor in the Department of Global Development and Entrepreneurship in Handong Global University, Pohang, South Korea. The scope of this research is ODA activities in Nigeria. And the major objective of this research is to highlight the factors that can lead to transparency and improved productivity of ODA activities in Nigeria. Blockchain, when integrated with e-government, can be efficient in improving transparency and in managing the value chain of OD activities. And value chain in this case refers to the different processes, the different activities carried out from when the donor releases or donates an item or fund to recipients until the point at which the targeted recipient receives it. To complete this research, different literatures were reviewed and data was collected using primary data was collected using interviews and questionnaire administration. Our secondary data from the research, from the review of the different literature, led us to this model proposed by Oslo in 2015, indicating how the e-government system is being used with centrally managed database. And from our research, we found out that this kind of system is not efficient for a transaction where different stakeholders are involved and which is supposed and expected to have the consent, the validation of the different stakeholders to ensure that each transaction was actually carried out and in a transparent manner. So it's the reason we propose this system, which we called ICT for Transparency model, where it's a decentralized database is being used for this. And we have this conceptual framework indicating the different activities that will be carried out by the different stakeholders to validate the different transactions and ensuring transparency of the system. The questions in the questionnaires for data collection indicated where respondents could tell what tools, what features they expect a system that is expected to serve this purpose can have. And most of them said it should have feature of transparency and the data should be secure, and some other factors that they consider, some other features which they considered. And for them to accept such a technology, the factors they considered was if the system is easy to use and if it is actually useful for the purpose for which it is being designed. Result from these findings indicates that users are particular about their perception about the regulation and environment, ease of use, usefulness, and attitude as towards the use of a system, as well as the behavioral intention, can lead to the actual use of a system, as they have different impact, can impact each other in different ways, but all in positive ways. That's as indicated in this regression model. Concluding our research, the following conclusions were drawn. The adoption and use of a blockchain system with the proposed model can actually increase transparency of OD activities in Nigeria, leading to improved economy. Of course, the attitude towards the use of this system and the behavioral intention can actually influence the use of the system. To build a revolutionary mindset, the adoption and actual use of a system require users to be conscious about using those systems, and they should design and develop tools that are meant for their own solutions, not just adopting tools that are not very useful in the case or context of their organizations. And they should build localized tools for their use. Now, this research was limited in different ways, and one of them was that respondents felt the Bitcoin was a blockchain technology we were referring to. However, Bitcoin is just one model, one solution that used the blockchain technology model. For future research, we intend to make this clarification distinct, more distinct for the understanding of users of the system, and we intend to design a technical system for this. We also intend to come up with a model that will enhance interagency cooperation in Nigeria. I know you have questions, and we'll be on standby to answer your questions. Thank you very much for your audience. Just for a quick glance, this is the conceptualized model of the proposed system. And this is the platform of e-government with the centrally managed database and the different components, as well as that of the proposed decentralized database and its components too.